Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question on a particle moving with non-uniform acceleration. The question is as follows. Read the question carefully. Let us highlight the data given in the question, which will lead us to the solution. Analysis of the given data. The particle is moving with acceleration given by a is equal to 4t, which is non-uniform. Therefore, the kinematic equations for uniformly accelerated motion are not applicable to this problem. We need to integrate acceleration to get the velocity and then integrate velocity to get the position. The next data. The particle starts from the origin. Therefore, we write x0 is equal to 0. Next, the particle is initially at rest. Therefore, we have v0 is equal to 0. We are required to find the distance covered by the particle in the first 3 seconds. Therefore, we write delta x 0 to 3 is equal to x3 minus x0. Since x0 is equal to 0, we have delta x is equal to x3. Now for the answer. It is given that A is equal to 4t. We know that A is equal to dV by dt. Therefore, we have dV by dt is equal to 4t. Cross multiplying, we get dV is equal to 4t into dt. Integrating both sides, we get V is equal to 2t square plus c, where c is the constant of integration, which can be evaluated using the boundary condition. It is given that V0 is equal to 0, which means V is equal to 0 at t is equal to 0. Therefore, equation 1 gives c is equal to 0, which gives V is equal to 2t square. Again, V is equal to dx by dt. Therefore, we write dx by dt is equal to 2t square. Cross multiplying, we get dx is equal to 2t square into dt. Integrating both sides, we get x3 is equal to integral between limits 0 to 3 of 2t square into dt, which is equal to 2 into t cubed by 3 between limits 0 to 3. Putting the limits and simplifying, we get x3 is equal to 18 meters, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is C. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.